In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to construct a stem and leaf diagram for discrete data by doing this practice problem together. The problem goes as Kim surveyed 19 students and recorded the following data. Whatever this data represents, it doesn't matter. The question is to construct a stem and leaf diagram. The first thing we're going to do is to zoom in into the data set and make a note that the stem and leaf diagrams not necessarily an option for every kind of discrete data. It only works well for double-digit or sometimes triple-digit data, because here's how it works. We're going to read each observation, and we're going to write the first digit here, and the second digit we're going to write here. And the first digits combined will form a stem, so we can write ahead of time all possible first digits here. And as we go through data, we'll just be focusing on writing the second digit. So number 54 will be recorded like this. This is the first digit, this is the second digit. Number 52 will be recorded like this. This is the first digit, this is the second digit, and so on. 73, 70, 72, 73, 53, 54, 66, 70, 67, 63. And it's important to, as you're writing this down, to keep all the second digits aligned vertically. 49, 75, 51, because that vertical grid is kind of part of the visual summary. 48 and 49. So this is what stem and leaf diagram looks like. Alternatively, we can, not alternatively, but in addition to the way we wrote it, we can also arrange all the rightmost digits in increasing order. So this one will be written 1, 7, 8, 9, 9. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, but this is absolutely not necessary. It's just an extra work, but it doesn't add any value to the actual summary. The only thing that's left is for us to enter the answer. And here the table was already pre-created for us. So if there is no observation that starts with 3, we just leave it blank. So this is the visual summary. Now, 3, 0, 2, 3, there's an extra 2 over here. And what I also want to show you is if you were to answer 1, 7, 8, 9, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and 3, 6, 7, and 0, 0, 2, 3, 5, you would also get the full credit. So this is how we construct stem and leaf diagrams for discrete data. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to practice a similar problem, look for the link in the description of the video.